gonna get groceries. Ooh, that's lots. Gonna get groceries put away and all that sort of jazz. And then we're gonna get to a grocery haul. Good evening or good afternoon, everyone. No idea what is going on with my video here, but I hope it loops up when I am done. If not, I'm screwed. But anyway, I hope you guys are having a fantastic day. This is a big doozy of a grocery haul, $250. Yeah, $250 and whatnot, but I just wanted to jump on here. I'll throw in some music in here, but I just wanted to jump on and say, well, I hope everybody's having a good day. If you're not, well, I hope your day turns around and it gets better for you. Yeah, I don't know why I said that, but I just, just having one of them days where I just don't know what to jump into it. Okay, we're gonna start over here because there's no way. We're gonna start over here. So, and I'll just bring the camera closer, and I'll scratch it down so I can see. Okay, so right here we've got Miss Vicky's sea salt and malt vinegar chips and sweet southern barbecue. And then we've got 2 packages of steaks. One's a top sirloin, and the price is right there. See? And then we've got inside round marinating steaks, 2 in that package. With that, it should do all of us a meal. Oh, minis. Oh, this camera's flipping heavy. And then underneath it, we've got our Sparks eggs, the large 30 count. And if we jump over to this chair, we have got a 3-pack of chicken breasts, and then a big pack of 7, so that we have some meat, or chicken, in the freezer. And then right here, we've got a 3-pack of whatever these are, pork chops. And then we have a 3-pack bag, a 3-pack of the double zip zipper bags from Great Value. The 30, there's 90 bags there. And jumping back here, we've got some cereal for the kiddos. We've got some honeycombs, Captain Crunch, and some Cinnamon Toast Crunch. And if we jump on over here, we got a bag of Royal Gala apples. I did a fuck up. I ordered too many oranges. So we got a case of oranges, plus a bag of clementines. But that's okay, the kids will chow down, and I like eating some oranges too. And then we've got a Great Value bag of barbecue chips. And then up and right here, if I can actually work this thing, we got some white dinner rolls. I'm gonna slice them in half and use them as sandwiches for the kids as lunches. And then, I'm gonna move the parm. We've got 2 bags of russet potatoes because they were a decent price, like $3 a bag, like less than $3. No, $2.50 a bag. $2.50 a bag. And then for the hubbies there, we've got, he wanted some chips, so I got him some Takis. And then right in front of the Takis, we got our good old Coffee Mate French Vanilla Coffee Creamer. And then I ran out of my yellow onions, so I grabbed another bag. I love getting bags because I go through so many onions. So many. Slow down, Samantha. I am talking uber-duper fast, and this is just, it is driving me insane. But, anyway, for another meal this week, or within the next week and a half here, because I made a meal plan for 2 weeks here, and I didn't get to doing grocery haul until halfway through the meal plan. But, got some Brussels sprouts for veg, got a bag of frozen whole kernel corn, and then to go with the spaghetti that we're having tonight, I've got some shredded Parmesan cheese. And then up and over here, we are going to mix up some of the green crisps. Green and crispy, or green and crisp, and a spring mix, and make a salad. I got me some bagels. We got 3 loaves of bread right there. And then up and over here, we got a value pack of the Mott's Fruit Sensation. And then we got a 40 pack of the chewy, chocolatey, fun granola bars. And mark out that we can send to school. And then I only got the 1 jug of milk because we're going to do another, you know, fresh order next week. But we're going to do our main grocery shops every 2 weeks now, which is fine by me. And then right here I've got some mashed potatoes, the roasted garlic. We love these for our popcorn chicken bowls. It makes delicious. And then because I'm having a bone-in ham on Sunday, I wanted some scalloped potatoes. So got some of that. And then right here we got some marble cheddar cheese to go with the popcorn bowls because you gotta have cheese on it and whatnot. And that is everything in my grocery haul. I'm gonna set you back up on the tripod there, and we're gonna get to putting this shit away. Oh, and look at this, like, I've got to get all this stuff organized. Like, crazy. Like, I have to deal with that. Like, fuck. I have to get that put away from last weekend. We use a baby gate to keep our doggo from going up the stairs. But yes. So yes, that is our grocery haul. We are going to get this shit put away. Let's see if I can do this. Ba-da-doo. Ah. Okay. Okay. I'm gonna move you up and over here. List or my meal plan. We're on this day already, so we're gonna have, well, we did order out because it was my son's birthday. I made roasting corn, had chicken salad, had a hot roast beef sandwich that yesterday. Today we're having spaghetti. Tomorrow's pork chops with rice and carrots. And then I'm gonna have a bone-in ham, scalloped potatoes, and carrots and or corn on that day. And then from the 20th to the 26th, we're going to have ham soup with baking powder biscuits, steak, and then on the Tuesday, steak, baked potatoes, corn, and or salad. We're gonna have a popcorn chicken bowl, pork roast, rice and carrots, and then roasted chicken legs and thighs. Might swap that out for chicken breasts actually. And do potatoes and salad. And then I'm gonna do a Mexi rice casserole right there. And then got a meatloaf with potatoes and broccoli. But that is all of my menu plan. My weekly menu plan for like 2 weeks. It's because, well, hubby's wanted a 2-week meal plan, so I made a 2-week meal plan and did a 2-week grocery haul to go with it. Well, minus the fresh stuff.